This is how you can cancel or retract an offer on eBay. First is to go to eBay and sign in. Next is to click Help and Contact at the top of the page. And then in the search bar, just type in retracting a bid. And then from the search bar, it's going to appear as a suggested article. So you're just going to have to click on that. You're going to choose the official eBay retraction form. And then from here, you can just click on retract to bid, which is going to appear as a blue button right there. And then after that, you're going to paste the item number where you placed your bid. After that, you're going to select the reason for canceling, such as entering the wrong amount or the seller changing item details. Now you're going to have to submit the form and eBay will remove your bid from the auction. For best offer listings, you're going to have to go to the My eBay and then go to purchase history. And then from there, you're going to find your offer, like from the bids and offers page, and then from here you're going to find all of your bids. Now you're going to have to click on one of your bids as what view offer details, and then this window is going to appear. So you're just going to have to look down here, and then you're going to click on retract your offer, and then you're going to have to choose the reason why you want to cancel, and then you're gonna enter the item number right here and then click on cancel offer after. Now this ensures you're not locked in a purchase you no longer want. And that's it. That is how you can cancel offer on eBay, delete the offer, bidding, or by retracting it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.